In this world, where men are told to suppress their edge, it becomes easy to forget who you are. But when a woman leaves you, when she walks away, it can either be the death of you or the rebirth of your masculine soul. The truth is, she didn't leave you for no reason. She left you because nature punishes weakness, passivity, and aimlessness. It is your wake-up call from the gods. Let me now tell you the 4 reasons why she left you. 1. You lost your purpose and became her pet. A man without a mission is like a ship without a sail, drifting, directionless, useless. When you revolve your entire life around her instead of your purpose, she feels it. She won't say it, but she resents it. Because deep down, every woman wants to follow a man who knows where he's going. But you made her the sun in your sky. You dropped your ambitions, your edge, your hunger. And when that happened, she no longer saw a man. She saw a boy clinging to her approval. Remember, lions don't beg for attention. They rule the land. You weren't hated, you were pitied, and no woman can love a man she pities. 2. You became too emotional and weak. Listen, feelings are part of being human, but expressing every single one of them like a leaking faucet is the fastest way to destroy her respect for you. You started venting, whining, oversharing, acting like your emotions were sacred scrolls. But to her, it just meant you couldn't carry the weight. She wanted a rock, a fortress, someone she could lean on when the world collapses, not another mess to clean up. She doesn't want your tears. She wants your strength. Like a soldier in war, the Stoic man knows when to feel and when to fight. And you forgot to fight. 3. You didn't stand for anything. You agreed too much. You apologized too often. You let things slide just to keep the peace. But peace without principles is just slow death. She tested you, with disrespect, with attitude, with little challenges. And every time you folded like paper in the rain. Why? Because you were afraid to lose her. But in trying not to lose her, you lost yourself. And let this truth burn into your mind. A woman would rather be with a man who walks away for his values than a man who stays and becomes a slave. You must always be ready to walk away. That is the only way to lead. Like this message? Like the video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic, on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be reminded daily to stay stoic, masculine, and successful. Activate the bell to stay up to date and become a rock in this chaotic world. 4. You didn't grow. You stayed the same. At the beginning, you had fire. You chased improvement. You were mysterious. She looked at you and saw potential. But then, you stopped. You became comfortable. You settled. You let your body go. You lost your curiosity. You forgot that men must build themselves, like temples carved from stone. And when she looked at you after time passed, she didn't see a leader. She saw stagnation. And nature despises stagnation. Like a tree that refuses to grow toward the sun, you withered. And she left not because she hated you, but because she no longer believed in you. Let this truth settle in your chest. She left you, not to destroy you, but to wake you up. Now you have 2 choices. Keep crying, blaming, and sinking into victimhood. Or rise, with discipline, strength, and stoic clarity. Be the man who stands tall, even in the storm. Be the man who can be alone, because he knows he is building an empire in silence. You lost her, but now you get to find yourself, and that is the greatest reward of all.